This is the barn. This is the gate. This is the cat. This is the car. I'm just kidding. That is the car. This is the wannabe mechanic. I'm up here. I'll walk down now. It's not actually a barn find. Well, it is a barn, but it's my brother's barn, so yeah. But we parked it in there about 12 years ago, and there's a reason for that. Plan of attack. First, power steering pump. That's the reason the car is in there, because the power steering pump has failed. So change that. Second would be fresh fuel. Third would be fill some air because the tires have been leaking. And fourth is connect the battery. I don't have the right battery because it's American and but we'll get some power. And then we'll try and start the car. Good plan. Get this out of the way. I do wish all my cars would start this easy. This up a bit. But behold, oh, this is dark. But there was steering pump. I'll start off by hitting everything with some penetrating oil. If I can see anything, that would be great. Found some light. Now it's just to find the right spanner. Yes. There we are.
And after that, it was just trying to get every bolt and every nut loose. It was a lot of grime, dirt and oil, but we got there.
So this is the bracket it sits on. Where should I put that? Maybe. Now the power steering pump is all loose except for one hose. Disconnect that and we should be somewhere. Oh. Major flaw in my plan. I was hoping to do this all at my brother's place, but we don't have the tools here. I need a big umbraco, I think, so I can get this thing off and yeah, So a quick turn home, fix that. I'll be back here tomorrow, I think. Yeah, nice. No idea if this is the way to go.
Spoiler alert, this is definitely not the way to go, and I ended up ruining that pulley. Whee!
But we'll try.
And I mean, I really tried to ruin that thing. I tried heat, I tried everything, and look at that bend on the side there.
So I went ahead and I bought the tool for the job. Comes with this small thing. It's down there. This is the grip around there. There are two diameters. So it'll fit on different pulleys. Do like so. Can even put this shell on, I guess. Left. Whew. Did the job. Nice. Come on. So we're back at it. So we're back at it. Yeah. So trying to get this thing down there. Yeah. Wish me luck. Okay. Moment of truth. There's a small gap in front. I'm not sure actually. And how much am I gonna spill? That was pretty much spilling, yes. I haven't filled any fuel yet. Haven't touched that, so I will attach some power and see what the fuel gauge says. I also brought the booster if I need to. Oh, this has been hot. It's ground at least, so I don't have any of these American type of connectors around. Oh, we have power at least. Okay. Okay. I'll just see what happens. Second attempt. Found some starter fluid. Let's go. Fired her right up. I'll fill some fuel now. Kan jag ändå starta nu? Åh! She purrs like a kitten. Oj! Hej! Kan du lyse? Parking lights, high beam, low beam.
I'm thinking a proper wash, a good clean, a quick detail, and then we can find out what's working and not.
Whew. A bit smoke, but okay. Jag har faktiskt fått upp bitte litt.